Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, all of that. Today is New Year's Eve and tonight is gonna be a whole new year, sis. Do we still say sis in 2019? Anyways, so to bring in the new year, I wanted to get my roots colored. Well, this is more than just roots now. This is like a year worth of growth. Not a year. I don't remember the last time I colored my hair, but it's been a minute. Turn a 20 volume. I'll just get one because I already have a big one. Starbucks food tastes more plastic than freaking McDonald's. That was like all grossness in my mouth, but my belly is full. This juice is kind of good though. It tastes like water and strawberries. That's probably what it is. My brother works here, so I'm gonna go and spy on him. What are you talking about? Okay, so I have my hair sectioned in its sections. I have like 8 sections, whatever. I'm trying to be real careful. I'm actually in a rush, so we're gonna try to do this quickly and efficiently. Okay, I'm gonna use this Olaplex number 2 Bond Perfector, and I'm gonna put it on the ends so that when I color my hair, and if some of the dye gets on the ends, it doesn't really lighten it at all, because I don't want the ends to get any lighter than they already are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the ends, and I'm only gonna put like, this is probably too much for like one little section, but I'm gonna put that much like on the very bottom. Finished all of that, and now I just pin my hair up, and then we're gonna start on this section. Hey, so I never showed you guys my hair after I dyed it because I was in a rush. So this is a week later. This is a whole week later. And as you can see, it's not black. Like, this part is black and this part is black. My hair grows so fast, but I didn't really go directly to the roots anyway because I wanted to dye it again. I didn't use bleach. I didn't mention that earlier because I just want to get my hair lighter a safer way, I guess, without the bleach. Even though my hair is good. Like, the ends are actually bleached, I believe, like the very ends. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how, like, what color it came out.